17, and I know that you're not to blame. And if I could